I sure do appreciate all of you that have been watching my videos all this time. And no, I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep on keeping on. Stick with the stuff. But I need some input from you. I know that a lot of my videos are like classroom type videos, maybe presentations, but I think they're getting the point across. What I'd like to know is, how can I inform you better of what I've found out? I'm sort of scratching my head over this. So anyway, you can either leave comments at the bottom of this page here, or you can email me at tim@amos8.net. Okay?